Hello guys, on today's video I want to change the rear disc brake protection and parking brake actuator, because sometimes the parking brake remains active. This is the parking actuator. This part here, I think in my case is a little bit of rust, but the big problem for me is this one, because here in these holes, here and here, you have I think it's like that, yeah. Here and here you have a spring of the shoes, brake shoes, and up here in my case is rusted, and the spring, the hook of the spring, it's not stable here, and the parking shoes is moving a little bit in the front, and when I release the parking, the shoes stay in this position, and I want to change this. I need to change all these parts because of this tiny rust from here. It's not easy job. I will show you a little secret, what you need to do, because theoretically and normal you need to take off the bearing wheel from here, and you can put in a danger the bearing to force you to buy a new one, and it's a little bit hard to untie the nut from the axle. So I will show you the secret on a video. Let's do the job. Safety first. Release the parking brake now. Now we will take off the wheel. Now we will take off the brake caliper. Squeeze a little bit the cylinder. Okay, it's enough now. Here in back you have two caps, 1 and 2. You have Allen key 7 here. Okay, the slider is out. Now, if you don't have space, like in this situation, you don't have space to insert the Allen key on a nut, on a bolt, you can do like that. You untie it from the up and do this. Okay, let me take the brake pads out. Now the caliper mount have two bolts behind with 18, and I recommend to use this kind of wrench. You can put like that and hit with the hammer. With no problem. When it's out, I have one more. And it's out. Okay. Now we're gonna take out the disc with T30. Okay, now the disc will come off like that, and look what I see. Look, do you see? I see the both springs are missing. Now where is the springs? No springs there. Maybe I will lose the springs. There is no springs. What do you say about this? I have no spring there. This is bad because I need to buy a new set. Anyway, now I will take off the shoes. The adjuster, I will let him in the same position. The little spring. And now in the other side here. It's easy if you take off the actuator like that. It don't want to come off. No problem. Oh, look, where is my springs? There. Bad. Oh my god. They are jammed the parking brake. Look. one of the springs. My god, and the second, look. It's broken in half. Now you need to take off this bolt from here. You just need to push out the bolt like that. In some case you need a hammer, and the actuator is out now. It's not jammed, but anyway I will put a new one. Okay guys, now I will take off this rusty protection. I hope I will not break the bolts from here. Look. Because of this hole, my springs are coming off. Now let's compare the parts. It's the same for me, and look here, I don't have any more this part here. Okay, we have 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's see what we're gonna do now. This is Allen key 5. Okay, another one here. Let's see if we have luck now. You see the effect of the hammer. And the bolt have Loctite here, look. I think I will hit the 6 here. I don't know if it works, but now it's too big. Okay, now the other two, these two are 13. Now I will hit them like that. Okay. The second one too here. Okay, I'm lucky today. Let's take it off now. I bring this tool. Okay, got it. Okay, now lock these two. Nice. Now I will clean here good. Now I'm gonna put the new part. This is grease. Okay. Now, as I told you to the beginning, normally you need to take off the bearing, but you will have a lot of work and you will put in danger good parts. So now we will cut here. We'll make a cut on a protection and we will put it behind the bearing to the cut. Let's see. Okay, now it's cutted. Let's put it on a cut. Okay. Was easy and fast. Okay, now all good. Now I will put a new actuator here, put a little bit of grease there. So you need to put it like that, with the hook in down position like that. You have here a blocked way and the cable must pull like that. Let's see how we gonna do that. Okay, now put the pin here in the hole. I think it's in position. Okay, it's in hole now. And let me put a little bit of grease here again. And do like that. Make sure the pin is in the right position, like that. Okay, I'll put the slider back, like that, and a little bit of grease. Tight a little bit this one. Perfect. Now I'm gonna put back the brake shoes. For that you need to put some grease here, here too, in 6th place here, and another 3 in downside. Okay. Okay, the hook is on. Okay, now it's in place here in the front. Like that. And now let's put the spring in the back. Put the spring first, and after close the adjuster on maximum. Be sure it's clean here. Okay. Here is a little hard part. It's in place now. Now all I needed is the springs for the mount, and I don't have a new one. I go to look on my stuff, but I think I need to stop the work and order some springs. We will see. So now I put some springs there, which I found it on the garage. Now I will clean this disc inside a little bit, and we will adjust the parking brake. Okay, from this adjuster. Okay. If you have copper spray, put a little bit here. I will not put it because I will work here anyway to put the new springs. Now let's make the adjust. Okay, let's adjust the parking brake. We're gonna press the parking brake now. Okay, and now let's make the settings. Oh, I see it's already tight. I will release the parking brake now. Pull back. Let me put this nut, bolt, sorry. a little bit like that. Now place the parking brake again. Okay. So I think I don't need to make new adjuster there, because as I see the shoes are in place. I will release now the parking brake. Okay. Let's move freely. I will tighten this bolt. It's enough. Now I will put 2 bolts on the wheel. Just like this. And now I will press the parking brake again. Ooh, it's like rock. Oh yeah, I will release the parking brake now. And everything is okay. Good. Okay guys, now we're gonna put back the caliper brake mount here with 2 bolts under the disc, behind the disc brake, 1 and 2. I will use a little bit of grease here. Okay. Clean this slider good and put the grease here too. put the brake pad back in his place. Now the caliper and the slider. Okay. Put back the cap. I don't have spring here. I need to change the whole caliper in a couple of days, not now. And we're gonna put back the wheel and that's it.